targeted at the Prime Minister of India, not at Mr. Adani.
नहीं, ये नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। आप इस तरीके से बिल्कुल जो आप ये कह रहे हैं कि कहाँ नहीं, क्या बात आप कर रहे हैं?
It is targeted, sir, at the financial network of the BJP, at the financial architecture of the BJP.
You are leveling charges against higher authority, and only you can speak. जी, श्री रविशंकर प्रसाद जी, क्या है पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर? पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर क्या है? पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर क्या है? व्हाट इज योर पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर?
बिल्कुल,
व्हाट इज योर पॉइंट?
गलत बयानी करना इनकी आदत बन गई है, टिपिकली सुनाते हैं।
श्री प्रहलाद जोशी जी, किरण रिजिजू जी,
हम लोगों ने बार-बार कहा, हम लोग
पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर, पूरा सदन सुन रहा है। पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर साहब, इनको
हम आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहते हैं, बट व्हेन यू आर लेवलिंग सीरियस चार्जेस without any reason, without any backing of substance, without any proof, you are just making any wild allegation.
I'll give you a reason.
That will diminish your own position.
I'll give you a reason. I'll give you a reason.
You are leader of the opposition.
Okay.
Please make substantive point.
Yes,
we are here to listen to your suggestion.
I will.
If you give good suggestion, we will listen.
Yeah, I will.
We are here to listen, but don't make wild allegation.
I will. Speaker sir, there is a businessman called Mr. Anil Ambani. I want to ask the question, why is he not in jail? The reason he's not in jail is because his name is in the Epstein files.
एक तो
That's why he's not in jail.
राहुल जी, जो भी चाहे,
I'd also like to ask Mr. Hardeep Puri, who introduced him
Mr. Chair
to Epstein.
Mr. Rahul, no,
I know who introduced him.
आप एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए पहले, कि चाहे आप अनिल अंबानी, मैं कह रहा हूँ, मैं अनिल अंबानी,
Sir, I know who introduced him.
जो जिस
And
तरीके
Mr. Hardeep Puri knows who introduced him.
चार्जेस लगा रहे हैं,
We both agree.
वो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं है, चाहे वो अनिल अंबानी
Hardeep Puri है, sir.
रानी हो,
Hardeep Puri is a member of parliament here.
आप जो चार्जेस लगा रहे हैं उसको सफाई करने का अवसर नहीं मिलेगा, उसको
He's a minister, sir.
उसका नाम नहीं लिया जाता। और आप एक बार इसको पढ़ लीजिए, a member while speaking shall not refer to any matter of fact on which a judicial decision pending may make a provisional and for use offensive expressions about the conduct of the parliament in any state, reflect on any determination of the house except motion, and reflect upon the conduct of persons in high authority unless the discussion is based on a subsequent. तो प्लीज आप जिसका नाम है उसका नाम न लें। Point out किस
I am on Rule 352, Clause Roman 5.
श्री रविशंकर जी,
While speaking, reflect upon the conduct of persons in high office authority unless discussion is based on a substantive motion drawn in terms of proper terms. अभी उन्होंने प्राइम मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया, मंत्रियों का नाम लिया, has he made any substantive motion? नहीं है तो रिजेक्ट करिए। It is completely against the rule.
नहीं, अब मेरी बात सुन लीजिए, एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए, उन्होंने 352 कहा है, लेकिन मैं नहीं, सौगत राय जी नहीं, मैं राहुल जी आपका 353 की तरफ कर रहा हूँ। आपने एक भारत सरकार के मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया, and you have labeled the charge against him. If you will go through the rule 353, no allegations of a defamatory or incriminatory nature shall be made by a member against any person unless the member has given adequate advance. Now you have labeled the charges against him. So please, being a leader of opposition, I think so. Notice, then adequate advance notice. Then you can mention the name of any minister. And if you have, आप बैठिए, नहीं ऐसे देखिए, नहीं, whatever Rahul has made allegation that will not go on the record, and now you can speak.
1 minute,
no.
Sir, 1 minute.
You have made allegation. You have made allegation that will not go on the record.
Sir, agree, sir. But Rule 352 is only applicable for leader of opposition.
No, I am reading 352.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
353.
1 minute, sir. Rule 352, mentioning about Ravi Shankar Prasad ji raised the issue. In that house, 2 days before, a member has given a very, very derogatory remarks against the former Prime Minister. Two former Prime Minister. Where was this rule 352?
Applicable to everybody, not only
Where
for
was-
him, not only for him.
Where was
That will be applicable. Please kindly take it. That is applicable for to him. Please, no. Rahul Gandhi. Rahul
Speaker sir, Speaker sir, Speaker sir, Anil Ambani is not a member of the House. He's not. So I can speak about Anil Ambani. He's a defense. He's involved in defense, sir. He's involved in defense. He's involved in defense budget.
Leave name industrialist.
to explain his whatever you are leveling charges against him. So I think so you will not take. Please.
So there is a certain businessman
Yes.
whose name has appeared in Epstein files, and that businessman is not in jail. That businessman has criminal cases against him.
The subject. What file you are taking? No, Epstein file. No. How I can allow you? No. No. You are mentioning it. How if any file, if any subject is not related with the budget, you can't speak. Please, you can't speak. You can't speak. Rahul, you.
So I will tell you what. Well, I will.
आप
Sir, I
अपना
will
बजट पे ठीक ट्रैक पे
Okay,
थे
sir.
अब क्यों
Sir, I will-
ट्रैक से जा रहे बाहर मतलब you were on
Sir,
right track
sir,
you were
Speaker, sir.
absolutely on right track
Sir,
I
Speaker,
think
sir.
why you are just
Speaker sir, you are ex-Congress party member. So I will do you a special favor today, sir.
नहीं
I will back down.
ये चार्ज है ना ये भी कार्रवाई का हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा मैं अगर आपको if you don't have any propriety for the chair
Leave it.
if you don't have sometime your even present member of parliament used to occupy this chair Selja Didi Selja is also for
Speaker sir,
and
you know
this
we
is
have
absolutely-
you have fondness for you.
Speaker,
You're an ex-member of our party.
Absolutely.
So I will not go very aggressive today.
why you are mentioning too much
You're a member of our party, sir. Ex-member.
Ex-member, no. But
And we are fond of you, sir.
I'm here.
We like you.
I'm here as a presiding officer.
But we like you,
But
sir.
अगर हमारी बात आप
And we know
मानते
your heart is not there, sir.
अगर आप मेरी
We
बात
know your
मान-
heart is here, sir.
नहीं मेरी बात अगर आप मानते तो वहाँ नहीं बैठे होते आप अगर if you are sitting there तो only because of you have not taken my advice here I'm advising you here if I'm advising that you should move on the correct track so I think so still you have time to you should move on correct track
As today, as you are Sir, in the spirit of our conversation, I will not say the name Epstein and I will not say the name Anil Ambani and I will not say the name. No, I will not say, sir.
नहीं बनेगा ये you are a leader of opposition
Okay.
और
So let me speak,
एक
sir.
मिनट, ये please I think so
I will not do it, sir.
the whole nation is watching you
I know.
What?
I know
on
that,
one
that's
side-
why I'm saying it, sir.
On one side you are saying, I will not mention the name. Again you are mentioning the name.
I'm saying
so
I
I
will
think
not
you are not ready to avoid the Please.
Okay, anyway. So I will not go into the names. But I would like to say,
I think so you have to speak only on budget.
I'm
अरे बैठिए किसी आप बजट पे बोलिए ना
Speaker, sir.
There is a general discussion on the union budget for 26,
Okay, sir, let me speak.
27. Okay. So I think
nice.
what
So, Speaker, sir,
अब तो
so I
नहीं-
will avoid that.
अब तो आप नहीं कहेंगे उस दिन आपने इनको
बोलने
कहा
तो
था।
दीजिए, sir. So, the point is that I do not believe that any Indian Prime Minister, including Mr. Modi, would sign such a deal unless there was a chokehold on him. So, but I do not, sir, this budget that you have
So you and your member have not asked any question. that day when Piyush Goyal had made a statement on the floor of the House.
सर मुझे आप कंक्लूड तो करने दीजिए सर.
चलिए, प्लीज.
नहीं तो यहाँ 2-3 और घंटे लग जाएंगे सर.
ओके, ओके, थैंक यू.
आप चाहते हैं तो मैं लगा देते हैं सर.
नहीं, काइंडली कंक्लूड. काइंडली कंक्लूड.
So, we have buckled on tariffs. We have handed out our data, given up control over digital trade rules, no data localization, free data flow to USA, limit on digital tax, no source code disclosure, and 20-year tax holiday. The most valuable asset that India has and will ever have has been handed over. Our farmers have been left to the mercy of mechanized, massive American farms. Our textiles have been wiped out. Bangladesh now is going to wipe out our textile industry. Our energy security has been handed over. We can't buy oil from who we want to buy oil from. Now, I don't believe any Indian Prime Minister would do this. Logic ही नहीं है सर. लॉजिक नहीं है सर. ये जो हुआ है सर, ये पूरा सरेंडर है. सर आपने ज्यादा बोलने दिया मुझे आज. सर आपने मुझे थोड़ा ज्यादा जाने दिया आज.
बात आ गई.
तो दिस इज अ होलसेल सरेंडर एंड इट इज अ ट्रेजेडी because it is a surrender not just of the Prime Minister. He has surrendered the future of 1.5 billion Indians. And he has surrendered the future because he wants to protect the BJP's financial architecture, on which there is a case in the United States. He has surrendered